Hello, my name is Brandon, and I wanted to put out this first video to help people who were just like me. I have a 2007 Toyota Camry LE, and I came outside to find out just to go somewhere, and the car wouldn't crank. No matter what I tried a couple of days, maybe waited, maybe I thought maybe the fuel filter was maybe clogged up or the fuel pump was out. So I decided to wait another day to try to crank it. Well, unfortunately, it did not crank. So I put my computer on it, and I got a code of PO335. And what a PO335 is a crankshaft position sensor that was out. I had a faulty piece. So what I want to do is I want to show you where that is, because it was very difficult to find. There was nothing that I've seen on online that showed me where it was. And I'm going to show you where that is on my 2007 Toyota Camry LE. Sedan, 4-door. It's a 4-cylinder, so it's not a, I don't know if that matters or anything. I'm just going to show you where it is. It's very simple to take off. If you got small, large hands, well, it'll be a little bit more difficult, more so than others. But here's what I have found. All right. Now, if you look right between your alternator, this is your alternator here. There's this little connection right there. That's the connection, and it runs this piece right here. That piece right there. You disconnect it, and there's a cord that runs right back here. Let me see if I can get my finger. You can run it right back down through here. Inside this little piece here, this is where your alternator belt is. And right in between, let's see if I can get down in here. I don't know if you can see that, but right in the middle, it's kind of hard to see, but it's way down in between the belts, just below that screw right there. You can see the little cord. I can't put my finger there, but you can see it. And that's what it is. It basically, I'm going to show you the old one, if I can find it. So stand by.